Tell me what else is in that, because there are other kinds.
Okay.
So they had different patterns.
They had different patterns, and well, here's one in kid leather. That one's in leather. That was sold by Jacobson's, which no longer exists. And then here's blue. This is a blue vinyl. And
so it came with.
Yeah, it didn't come. It just came by itself, and the person would just stitch it.
So it didn't come with the design?
Didn't come with the design. It would just come with the canvas, and the stitcher could just stitch those.
The stitcher used.
Yeah, stitch. Yeah.
So this would have been about what year?
That was 1974 to 1984, and then this was a product they had. It was called a Snap-a-Pocket, and it was to for instance, you could put this over the bar on a bicycle and carry stuff in there, or you can put it on your belt and you can carry stuff in there. They came up with all sorts of creative ways of.
And you could stitch on this.
Yeah, you could stitch on that too.
Fabric.
Yeah.
And so Mrs. Kreinik designed these, and then you had people make them for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Very cool. This is early.
And they had their whole upstairs of they had an old Victorian house, and the whole upstairs of the house was a factory, and they ended up where all the rooms in the house were taken. It was a big Victorian house. All the rooms in the house were taken except for one, and they slept in the dining room and they ate in the dining room. And then finally, my mom said, "Jerry, I've had enough." So that's when they started looking around for a building, and they searched and searched and searched and searched, and they finally found a building which was an old church, and didn't realize that when they bought it, they were gonna have to fix the whole thing up.
Fix the whole thing.
So they did that. But
about what year was that?
That was 1983.
And that's this current building.
And that's the current building, and that's when I came to work here. I came in after they had the building all fixed up.
Right.
No, they actually bought it in 1982, and then 1983, and I came in September 1983.
And now look at this. This is just one room of our outlet.
This actually used to be my office.
This room used to be your office?
This one was my office, and the other room here that we have over here was actually the entrance to the building.
Oh, interesting.
And we had people, this was an old church, and we had people coming here and saying, "Hey, I came here to pray," and we would say, "Well, we only spread the gospel of silk and metallics here." So it's a little corny thing, I would say. But this was everybody's favorite room.
Yeah.
You know, this was a great office.
So if you come to
space.
the outlet store, you can find some goodies in here. This is pretty cool. Thanks, Doug.
Okay, you're welcome.